Okay, thank you for calling in. That was great help. We are up and running. We are up and going. I do have one other question. As I mentioned, we have wholesale customers and retail customers. I like to set up a second store location specific for the wholesale customers. It's simple enough, I think, to do a percent um, discount for them for the ordering with the coupon. But I need to know, but I need to not have tax included for them. The question is, does Smart Online have a way to get around charging from a second location to the sales tax, as there are wholesale customers who do not pay tax to us but charge it to their clients? Okay, so here's how I would do that one. Let's take a look. Let's go to your order online page. So here's what you're selling here, and you want to offer a wholesale section to your customers, okay? So the way to do it is log into the back end. So let me go ahead, go to the dashboard. And then press this button here, settings, Clover order settings. And then press order types. And then make a new order type. For example, I'm going to make one called wholesale. Wholesale customers, like that. Okay. I'm gonna actually, let me call it online wholesale customers. Okay. And then, so here's what we have here. We have online wholesale customers. Is it delivery or no? This one you can change later because I'm not sure if it's delivery or not. And then taxable, yes, no. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put no for taxable because you mentioned here that not to have tax included for them. Okay, so there you go, no taxes. Right here, no taxes. And then delivery, this one you can change later. I'm gonna go ahead and add that. Now we have one called online wholesale customers. Now we're gonna press edit again, and this time we're gonna say allow coupons, yes. And then on this one, allow coupons, we're gonna say no, because based on your message, you mentioned that you mentioned something about doing coupons for this one. So you want to disable coupons for this one, and disable coupons for this one too. Sorry, not that one. This one right here, coupons. So now that when somebody orders, your wholesale customers, they can go ahead and order the items that are in stock. So let's say I order 10 of these. Actually, let me just order, because this one you probably only have one in stock. Okay, so let's say they come in and they order this bowl right here, okay? And then towards the checkout page, what you do is, so you have your online wholesale customers, you have your curbside pickup customers. So you notice that when I clicked on this, see how it's not taxable? See, non-taxable, right? So that's how you do that. See, this one is taxable. There you go, see it? You can see the difference right there. And then of course they can pay with the credit card. But let me do something else while I'm here, because I'm gonna go ahead and Clover order settings. Modifier groups and modifiers. Sorry, not modifier groups, order types. Okay, let's put this one down last. Okay, so this wholesale customers. I mean, it's fine to be over there. Sorry, wrong link. It's fine to be over here, but we want to show it last. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the page. So we'll have the wholesale customers at the bottom there. There you go, online wholesale customers. And the nice thing about this one is for them, they can do the coupon codes as you mentioned earlier. So for example, they can click on this and then they can do their coupon codes. So to do coupon codes, what you would do is go ahead and go to the back end and then press coupons right here. Create your coupon for your wholesale customers. So for example, I can say coupon name wholesale, and then make a coupon code. and then give them a discount. Put the amount, expiration date, starting date, all that stuff. Once you create that, go to settings, and then press checkout settings, and then enable coupons right here. Enable it right there. Okay, that's how you do it. I'm gonna press save changes, and then now you have the coupon option available for your customers. Remember, if you don't want coupon, just come back here and turn it off. But I enabled it for you. Okay, that's the way I would do your wholesale customers, is to make an order type called wholesale, like how I did earlier. Let me refresh the page so you can see my coupon codes here now. Coupon code right there, see it? So let me show you one other step. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my coupons. Sorry, coupons. I'm gonna call it wholesale. I'm just gonna give it a name. I'll say a wholesale discount. And I'm gonna call it grand 2020. Okay, I'm just gonna give a name. I just made it up. Let's say I want to give them 10% off. Okay, starting date, expiration date. Okay, number of uses, leave it as 0. Okay, because that means the wholesale customers can use it until the expiration date. If you put 5, you can only use a total of 5 times. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Now that it's saved, I'm gonna go back to the order online page. I'm gonna refresh the page here. And then I'm gonna put my code, which was grand 2020, correct? Yeah. So watch, if I do it for this customer, it won't show the coupon code. If I do for this only one, wholesale customers will show the coupon code. See it right there? And then I'm gonna put grand 2020, apply, and then I got my 10% off. Okay, and that's how you do it. It's pretty easy. You know, if you're not giving wholesale price to specific items, just mention it in the description. That way the customers know. Or you can make a brand new category and make it a wholesale category. That way they can choose that category. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly delete that coupon code. But if you want to create it again, just follow my example of how I did it, so you can make a coupon code. So I'm gonna go back to coupons. I'm gonna delete this because I would just do an example. I'm gonna press delete like that. But when you come to this page, make sure create your own coupon. Okay, that way they can use that.